Welcome to the Senior Affiliate. My name is Richard, and today we're going to be going through Jaaxy. That is one of the best keyword research tools on the earth as far as I'm concerned. It will help you find keywords, help you rank, and just save you a ton of time. Let's go through exactly what the Jaaxy does and some of the information that you can derive from it. We'll go right across the top. We're going to do a Google search, and then we're going to go into Jaxxy and show you exactly how this software works. Some of the things or information that it does give you is the actual number of searches that the keyword receives each month. It gives you the visits to your website if you achieve first page rankings in the search engine. Now, quality search results is the number of competing websites that are ranking for that exact keyword in Google. You also want to check the keyword quality indicator, and that will show in three colors. It will show green for the keywords that we want. Yellow is so-so. I prefer not to use those. And the red is poor. The SEO score is based on traffic competition, and the higher the score, the more likely you will be to rank on the first page. The scale of 1 to 100, obviously higher is better. And then it goes over the availability, the types of domains where you find those specific keywords. I already have CBD for ADHD plugged in because that's one of the products I sold. But let's head on over to Google and let's show you what the alphabet soup method actually is. This is a very interesting way. This is called Google Instant, and it will show you a number of keywords that are being searched. So let's take a look at CBD, and immediately it shows up CBD for, CBD near me, and type in for, and then we'll go to A. Once we type in A, it shows CBD for anxiety shop, CBD for anxiety, stop anxiety with CBD before it stops you, CBD for ADHD, anxiety, asthma. We have keywords already right there that we know are being searched. Let's move on to B. CBD for back pain, for bipolar, for birds. CBD for coronavirus, for cats, for cramps. I know you get the idea and see how to do the alphabet soup method. It's very easy. And now you take these keywords, plug them into Jaxxy, and see what we come up with. As I said, I've already plugged in the CBD for ADHD. Let's look at the average number of searches that it receives per month, which is 360. The traffic, should you get to first page, and in time you definitely will, you have 63. Now, we want to go with QSRs if this is a brand new site, the quality search results, and try to stay at 100 or below. This is 135. So if your site is 3 or 4 months old, that will still work fine. If this is a brand new site and you just had it up for a week or so, you want to try to keep this number below 100. Now, let's not be discouraged if we see only 63 if we get to page 1. I would much prefer 63, 10, 11, 16. Those will all add up very cumulatively. And very soon you will have over hundreds of searches per month going to your website. Getting that QSR below, that quality search results, is very important. Now you want to come over and take a look at the SEO. You want to try and keep your SEO number above 90. That means you've got an excellent chance of being moved up to the first page. Let's take a look at some of the other QSR numbers and see where we come up. What is CBD for ADHD? That's also great. Can be found on .coms, .net, .org, It has a 91%, QSR of only 9. Now, when you look at the keywords, very, very important that they make sense in a sentence. What is CBD oil for ADHD? Well, that may not make complete sentence. CBD for children with ADHD, and we can always add to that at the front end or the back end. What is CBD for children with ADHD? And remember, with keywords, you can have something in the beginning of it, at the end of it. It's not going to affect it as long as you don't change the actual sequence of the words in the keyword that you're going to be using. Best CBD oil for ADHD. Average traffic, 64 per month. Traffic should you get to page 1. Let's take a look at that QSR. 70, so we are still below 100. CBD for ADHD, 189. Now, that's great if your site has been up for a few months and you've got a little bit more authority with the website, but you really want to try and keep that down below 100 for a brand new site. With Jaxxy, you can also check to see how a specific word is being ranked. Let's go over and check that. Now, one of my keywords is green CBD oil. Healthy green CBD oil is the name of my site. So green CBD oil is one of the keywords. Now, position number 4, if you come over here, take a look. Healthy green CBD oil, created by nature and purity. That is right there at number 4. So what this can do for you is absolutely unbelievable in saving some time, efficiency, and getting those keywords that are so important. Keywords are really the lifeblood of your website. Now, you may be ranked for 20, 30, 40 keywords in an article. That's very possible. But a couple of things that we want to make you aware of that are extremely important. When you use your keywords, you want not only to use them in the headline, but also you want them to be part of the first paragraph. Very important because of the way the search engines seek out and look for those keywords. You want it in those two places, in your search engine, in your headline, and in the first paragraph of your article or post. This gives you somewhat of an idea how Jaxxy works. Go onto the website, take a look. They have a free trial. You'll be absolutely amazed at what you can do and how much time you will save using this wonderful tool. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the Jaxxy product, about anything else to do with affiliate marketing, feel free to contact me at any time. It's been a pleasure. Once again, have a wonderful day.